Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Inalsa Spruce Vacuum Cleaner. This is a box that it comes in. A lot of features are mentioned. Let me just tell you what they are. This comes with powerful suction power, inbuilt blower function, 2-liter washable dust bag full indicator, easy carry handle, auto cord rewinder, 4-meter long cord, 360-degree rotation front wheel, airflow control on handle, accessory storage on unit and universal front wheel. This vacuum cleaner also comes with 2 years of warranty. Any more information? There is also a 1200 watt motor inside. The vacuum cleaner comes with 1200 watt motor inside. That's more or less it. There's an illustration of the vacuum cleaner right over here, as you can see. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. Okay, here we go. This is what you find inside the box. There are two of them. These are range extenders. There you go. This will come to a total of a little less than a meter actually, or a meter if you will. These are range extenders. You use this for reaching places that you can't normally reach. So the idea is, you see this flexible hose over here. This is basically your main component of the vacuum cleaner. This is what you attach to the vacuum cleaner, and the vacuum suction force comes out through here. So when you want to clean areas that you can't reach, you just attach an extender like so, and then another one at the back to reach those places. Which brings me to this flexible air hose, the most important component. There you go. This is what it looks like. I'm going to keep it on one side. We have a lot of these accessories and attaching features. Oh, there's a blowing filter actually. Yeah, we'll all take a look. We'll take a look at each of them. We will see what they are. Seems to be a dry flow cleaner. There you go. A dry flow cleaning attachment. Finally, we have a instruction manual cum warranty card for the Inalsa Spruce Vacuum Cleaner, the 1200 watt variant. There's also a 6-month extended warranty card inside, along with other warranty detail. There's also a lot of information, including specifications, maintenance, how to use, as I mentioned, warranty, do's and don'ts, part identification, etc. A very important document. You should not lose this. So this is what you'll find inside the box. Outside the extendable wand and the flexible hose, this is of course the vacuum cleaner. This is a floor cleaning attachment. As you can see, this is for cleaning floors and carpets. You can extend this bristle over here as well using this switch. That is one. This is a two-way nozzle, so this can be used to clean really tight crevices, like say a furniture, or rather think more like a keyboard or on a PC or laptop. This can be used to clean that. This is a nozzle for cleaning furniture mostly. This is your furniture cleaning nozzle, as you can see. And this is basically an extra filter for when you want to use the blowing functionality. Now let's take a look at the vacuum cleaner. This is what it looks like. It has this very nice piano red finish to it. There is a wire retracting button over here, which reminds me there is a 4-meter long wire power cable that comes with it. This is 4 meters long, and this wire retraction button makes it very easy to handle it. So all you have to do is just press. There you go. So yeah, you have to make sure that it's not tangled up, but yeah, once you press, it goes right back in. It's pretty simple. There's also a groove over here for you to manage it further when you want to. You can do that as well. Underneath, there are these two pretty massive wheels, as you can see, and there's a 360-degree swivel wheel at the front as well, along with this groove which you can use to carry this vacuum cleaner around. Speaking of which, this is not the largest vacuum cleaner. It's pretty compact in size. It's also not very heavy either. Probably weighs around 1 kilo. Let's open this flap and see. Yeah, there you go. You can open this flap over here, and this is basically the bag where the dust gets collected. This is a 2-liter bag, and yeah, that's what you get on the inside. Also notice this is basically your indicator for when your bag becomes full. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to give this a test run. Time to turn this on. This is basically your power on off button. There's a wire extraction button, power on off button. You heard that? It's working. Now let's try it on a subject. Let's say this tissue paper right over here. So here we go. It disappeared. So let's see if we can get it back from the bag over here. I will try it at least. There you go. It works absolutely fine. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Inalsa Spruce 1200 watt vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching.